Guys, good afternoon. Get some action going on in the market. We're going to start the stream here. All right, yeah, let's just get right into it. ETH pulling back today. We had the Ripple news. They beat their case. Were ruled not a security. Kind of give a green light to the market, which led to this pump here. And since we sort of topped out and pulled back, now come back down. We're at the area of the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. We're at the monthly open, which we just tagged and we're bouncing off of. So I do think the market has a chance to be bullish here. Obviously that news was big for the entire market. But we are seeing a sell-off, so it's possible it's a fake out. You would think news like that would sort of kick off a rally that was more sustainable. But there's also the thinking that everyone who rushed in and bought in this candle doesn't just get a free ticket to ride the next bull run. Potentially we need to shake people out. We did have this sort of inefficient move up. Let me just highlight that so you can see it more clearly. But this move up was pretty inefficient, just straight up. So I did see some logic to coming back and tagging. Honestly, I thought here would sort of be where it would pivot after it retraced the inefficiency. I guess it figured why not while we're down here, tag the monthly open. We'll see. I'd like to see some positive market structure on lower time frames to sort of indicate, an opportunity to go long, sort of give me a trigger there. Let's look at 1 hour. Yeah, so again, completely retrace this move. Yeah, I would need to see some positive market structure here first. Something even just engulfing this last 1 hour candle. A bullish engulfing candle on the 1 hour could trigger a long. A little positive market structure if we were to say engulf that, then pull back, make a higher low, and start to go up, then that's certainly going to draw in some longs. But on the 1 hour, this is crossing bearish right now. Not a great look. I do want to see, like I said, something bullish happen here. But if not, then, chances are we head down to these lows, around 1824 at least. So we'll see what happens with that. But I do think this is an interesting area. I would like to see a bounce here. Again, fully retraced the inefficiency, coming into some confluence here between the monthly open, horizontal support and resistance, and the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So potentially a spot to watch right here. So let's keep an eye on that. Bitcoin, again, similarly tagged the 200 EMA. I don't have the monthly open marked on this chart, but I would assume we're somewhere near it. We could mark it real quick. I'm sorry, am I looking at the wrong monthly open? Yes, I am. That was last month's monthly open. Anyways, still relevant. I didn't update it this month though. So forget about that. The monthly open on Bitcoin still matters on ETH. I still think that level is significant. But regardless, we have the 200 EMA here, confluent with sort of our range low, range high, it seems we're just ranging, sweeping, ranging, sweeping, ranging, sweeping. So potentially we'd come down, sweep that low, reclaim, and go up. That would certainly draw my eye for a long. Potentially it stays in the range. Yeah, not super confident about this again. I think I just want to see a little more before I decide if I want to be getting into longs or just sort of staying on the sidelines for this right now. Yeah, but a true break basically is what the market's looking for on Bitcoin. We need to break out of this range one way or the other. So like I said, that could mean a fake out below here and then visit to range high, break out up there. You know, just breaking down below this isn't enough to say, all right, the range is broken, we're going down. But if we break and close, retest, you know, show some bearish market structure there, that certainly could lead to a further move down. Again, I just would be surprised. I think fundamentally with the Ripple lawsuit, with BlackRock applying for an ETF, I think there's some good news going around. I think there's probably enough people sidelined. I think we kind of have the mix for at least a somewhat of a rally, maybe not a full-blown, you know, cycle, but I think this rally can go further. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. I don't think there's anything much else to look at right now. We'll look at some alts once I go into the group. Yeah, let's call that a day for the recording. See what's going on.